exploring roads on this 370 is always fun, even if I can't really get sideways. But anyways, let's get to it. When you get hooked like this, I mean, keep in mind, this is in the rain and we're hooking that good. And I don't have the best tires, that's why I'm not pushing the car too hard. Woo! It was bumpy and it got me a little bit sideways. Alright, so these roads are a bit bumpy. So just because they're grippy doesn't mean we should be flying through them since we don't know these roads. It's like I'm out here. Ooh. Oh, these corners are beautiful. I love it. I love it. So pretty up here. Didn't notice it, but I felt it. Also, hitting a puddle at this speed on these roads might not be the best idea. Okay, we're gonna zoom in on the map really fast. These corners might be a bit different, but if these corners are sticky, then it is what it is. We're just gonna call it a day where we just explore the mountain. It's pretty up here, so that's cool. Oh, I honestly thought this was going to be a bit more wider. Ooh, it's very sticky. Then you hit the leaves. Yeah, that's crazy. Ooh, but we can force it. But it's like drifting on dry. Does that make sense? It's like I'm out here. Ooh, that was bad. That was a bad pothole. I hate myself right now for not paying attention. We might as well keep going up and see what's up here. Spoiler alert, I've been here before. Woo. Weird, right? It was like gripping, and then out of nowhere it's like Vita kicked in, and then I wasn't even going through a corner either. I mean, now I am, but I don't like when... Wait, could my clutch be slipping? Oh no. Oh, hold on. Hold on a second. No. No, we would have felt it. It's so sticky. I don't even want to try, I'm gonna be honest. The only reason I thought my clutch was slipping is because my traction light wasn't blinking when my RPMs were going up and I wasn't clutching in. That's usually, if you give gas and you're not clutching in, the clutch slips and it goes, the RPMs go up. So when I was seeing the RPMs shoot from like 4,500 or whatever to 7,000-8,000, I was like, and without seeing the light, I was like, oh, maybe my clutch is slipping. That's why I wanted to test that. But anyways, back to the driving. It's so I mean, my PSI is also really high. It probably explains why I feel like we're jet skiing up here. I'm sorry if it's not like the most entertaining video because I'm not in a ditch already, or you know, I'm not like maxing out my car or redlining it. There's, you know, I gotta fix a few things. Oh, like see, I haven't really been keeping an eye on the oil, and it's actually kind of hot. So I'm gonna let the car cool off a little bit. My friend calls it the Slavic title. No! No! Ah, man. I think that was from the pothole. I didn't crash, clearly. This is so sad. Let's see if anything else fell off on this car. But yeah, like I was saying, without pushing the car too hard, it's fun because I'm learning the car's limit. And, you know, next time if I want to push a little harder, I can. Or, because I haven't had this car for very long, but yeah, the fact that my hood is like steaming. I think it was just steaming because it was a bit hot. So, pop this back into place. This was my fault. I bought the car, it wasn't really hit in the front. I messed up. Ow. Oh. Did you guys see that? Oh, that's super sticky. Maybe right here? Ah, way too sticky. Way too sticky. Nice. One thing I do want to point out too is this car, the rev match feature is so awesome. I believe the Z06, the Z01, I'm not sure if it's just the 1LE or all Z01s. Camaros come with it, but maybe it is like a Chevy thing. But I know those cars have rev match. I believe this car is what the first car that came with rev match. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. But I mean, I could try driving without rev match just for fun. See how we do. I mean, not bad. On the Shelby, we had to rev it ourselves. This is awesome. I'm not giving it enough gas. Oh, I freaked out. Oh, I forgot that I'm doing the rev match myself, and I went into second gear and I thought the car died. I was like, oh no, what's going on? But nah, it's a VQ. We chillin'. I just gotta, you know, rev match myself when I'm going through a corner. So we'll go down to third, down to second. We'll even try it first. I want to see how close I can get it. Yeah, perfect. Let's try one more. Loaded too much gas. Not enough gas, but hold on, my e-brake works? I've never tried it. Yo. Okay. This is gonna sound stupid, but I really thought this e-brake's completely like done for and I have to just get a hydraulic. But it's got a little bit of life left.